How to remove unwanted objects from photos in Inshot. So if you want to remove unwanted objects from photos in your Inshot, then first open up your Inshot application, tap on photo, select the photo. Once you've selected the image, now here on the bottom, you will have a crop option. You just need simply tap on crop. Once you tap on it, now you just need simply select the part that you would like to have on your photo, and it will take it to the part and eliminate all the other parts. But if this is not what you want, if you want to remove some backgrounds, then it's not possible on your Inshot without having a subscription plan. So in order to remove the objects, what you can do is you can just simply go with your Google Photos. You have that option on your Google Photos. So open up your Photos application and then select the image. Once you've selected the image, now you just need simply go with Edit, which is on the bottom right. And from the Edit here, you will have Magic Eraser. Tap on Magic Eraser and it will just take a few seconds. And after loading for a bit, then it will give you suggestions to remove the people from the background. You can just simply tap on Erase All, which is on the bottom, and that's it. Or you can also use your 2 fingers to remove the persons that you have on your background. So that's how you can remove, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.